In today's video I'm going to help you a lot. I'm going to give you a perfect explanation what are the best vitamins that can help you preventing knee arthritis, also preventing the cartilage damage. This is one of the most common diseases. I treat treating my patients from knee arthritis for over 25 years, and I know perfectly well those vitamins can help you a lot. There's going to be a couple of them at the end of the show. Also, I'm going to recommend you what are the best minerals that can help you in other specific video. For today's show, I will tell you about natural treatment for the sick knee. Treating a sick knee is my specialty. I have been working with this kind of diseases every day for the past 25 years. A particularly common disease is called knee arthritis. In the most cases, you will find various reasons begin to damage the cartilage of the knee. Each species has different amount of elastin and collagen. Articular cartilage is particularly smooth, white tissue that covers the ends of the bone where they meet the form of the joints. Healthy articular cartilage allows the joint to slide over each other with little friction, but is susceptible to the damage and the injury, as well as normal wear and tear. Think of cartilage as a fold that covers the edges of the bone, and when it's sprained, it allows the femur and the lower leg to move. Of course, this is out without the saying, knee suffers a lot of stress and damage through our whole life. Eating junk food, have a lot of obesity right now in modern world, drinking or taking a lot of medication, everything of those and much more can damage our cartilage, and that's why it's one of the most important things to prevent cartilage functions for the whole life. Cartilage is a robust and highly elastic connective tissue that can be found in the joints between the bones, and it enables the normal movement of one bone over another. Over time, this important tissue in the knee starts to get damaged. As a result of everything, inflammation starts to form in the knee. It is manifested by pain, swelling, or stiffness over the knees. And these processes in most people last for many years. From my experience, I know that by far largest number of the people are treated completely wrongly and completely ignore symptoms, and then disease reach the critical stages. When I see my patients in my office, 99.9% of them live unbelievably unhealthy, drink many medications that they can for the pain or for whatever, and they are surprised that they are in the last stages of knee arthritis. Trust me, you won't take these vitamins before any other serious diseases. If you try find the shortcut, this shortcut means medication operation on the long run. It's going to be unbelievably bad for you. So a healthy way of living and take these special vitamins that can help you, especially in the early stages of diseases. The first vitamin I recommend for you today for the knee cartilage is vitamin C. Most people know that vitamin C is important for the immune system and fight against colds and other infections. But it also plays a major role in the health of the connective tissue as it needed for the collagen production. Collagen is the main component of all connective tissues and help in wound healing. One of the main functions of vitamin C is the repair and maintenance of the bone, feet, and the cartilage. People who have problematic knee cartilage probably have the vitamin C deficiency. As a dietary supplement, take at least 500 milligrams per day. This is one solution. Take very good high quality supplements. But maybe best of those two is going to be to take good quality food that contains a large quantity of vitamin C. That means if you have knee problems, knee damage, eat these foods. Food rich in vitamin C are kiwi, orange, papaya, pepper, strawberry, pineapple, grapefruit, broccoli, Brussels, mango, tomato, spinach, coconut, plums, acerola, cherry, pomegranate, chili peppers, guava, blackcurrant, melon, parsley, mustard, kale, and lemon. This is unbelievably important information for everyone that suffers from knee arthritis. That those are food that contains high quality vitamin C. Second vitamin that's going to help you a lot is going to be vitamin D. The next thing you need is vitamin D. Vitamins are substances that we cannot create in the body, except vitamin D. That's why when we can consider it as a hormone, chemicals located in our skin, when exposed to the sun, create free vitamin D3, which is extremely fast. It converts into vitamin D3. Our body stores such a vitamin D in fat deposits or goes to the liver through the blood flow. Vitamin D is essential for development and maintenance of the healthy bones. Adequate amounts enable proper absorption of calcium, which is necessary for support of the structure and the functions on the bones and the teeth. It can also play a role in prevention and treatment of cartilage deterioration. According to the research, vitamin D levels play a role in the development and progression of osteoarthritis. How much vitamin D you need each day? Some recommended daily dose is around 1000 EU each day. However, sometimes the dose is significantly higher. Food rich in vitamin D are cod liver oil, wild salmon, mackerel, tuna, enriched milk, morel mushrooms, sardines, beef liver, eggs, caviar, shiitake mushroom, oysters are one of the best sources of vitamin D. But usually there is not much food with vitamin D. When you have the chance, of course, expose yourself to the sun 30 to 60 minutes each day, and it's going to help you a lot to convert the sun into vitamin D in your body, and it can help you also with your knee cartilage. My third recommendation is going to be vitamin E. Take 100 to 100 international units daily. Take especially D-alpha tocopherol. Vitamin E actually consists of two structurally similar compounds, tocopherol and tocopherol. Each compound consists of 4 components, each of which has different molecular structure. Each component is called isomer or vitamer of vitamin E. Vitamin E-rich food are wheat, germ oil, sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnut oil, almond oil, peanuts, Atlantic salmon, avocado, red pepper, Brazil nuts, mango, beet, kiwi, spinach, butternut, zucchini, extra virgin olive oil, sweet pepper, and tomatoes. So this is very important for today's show. If you want to protect your cartilage, if you want to get a natural protection against knee arthritis, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E is going to help you a lot. When I recommend it for most of my patients when have this knee arthritis, those vitamins can help you a lot. First, you always find the food sources. This is number one option. Second one is going to be good quality supplements, and those vitamins, trust me, is the best way for you to get better and you protect your cartilage. What are the most important minerals for preventing cartilage in your knee or any other joints? Find out in my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.